Yo, what up, what up? Happy Monday, everybody. I hope y'all are having a great week. Based on the comments, based on the views, it seemed like you guys really liked the last AI video that I did. So today's video, I have more prompts for you guys. I haven't had much time to explore it in depth and in detail, but I did create some prompts this morning for you guys. Hopefully y'all are able to use it as inspiration and understand that AI is able to do some crazy stuff. So without any further ado, let's get it poppin'. Ooh, which one should we start with? I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw this picture right here and I thought it was super dope, but I would go ahead and recreate it. So for this picture, I generated it with this prompt right here. I put a car-inspired bed with red sheets using a silver Honda S2000. I remember growing up, I always wanted a bed similar to this. And I guess just me living my childhood dream right now, just creating this photo is enough for me. Now remember, with AI, you gotta be pretty specific. So you could change up different things like the color of the sheets, the color of the car, the year of the car, if anything's, physically different. And I know in the last video, I had some comments that said that AI wasn't generating their car properly. And some cars that are super unique aren't really in the system like that yet. Just keep in mind that AI is still pretty new. If you have a pretty unique looking car, try to be as detailed as possible. And before we continue, I just want to let you guys know we're using the Bing app, which is down below in the description. And I will have all of the prompts for you guys. The same prompts that I used for all of these pictures, I'm gonna have down below in the description as well. All you gotta do is use whatever I use and change things out. And you can also add or delete some things from those prompts as well. For the next one, I wanna give a huge shout out to the boy Chinoskis. I saw him create this photo right here and I thought it was super cool. Again, just for nostalgia purposes, I feel like all of us can relate. As a kid, you're looking at all these things that you can't necessarily afford yet. All of it is a dream until it finally comes true. So I think this picture right here captured a very dope moment, and the way it's composed is pretty good. So I went ahead and made my own version, obviously with the Nissan GTR being that's my dream car. So all I put was a kid admiring a blue Nissan GTR inside a dealership window. Huge shout out to Chinoskis for inspiring this post. A lot of you guys sent me some pretty cool ideas, so I want to make sure I tag everybody. Shout out to Wayne for this next concept. Obviously, Tesla's known for its innovation and kind of being futuristic, so Wayne went ahead and used a UFO chasing a Tesla Model 3, and I went ahead and generated some photos with this caption right here. A lowered purple Tesla Model 3 with bronze wheels running away from a UFO at high speeds. When I'm generating these photos, I'm thinking of capturing them to make them into art pieces. So I had a friend give me one of these, and that gave me the idea of just creating these images and throwing it onto an actual canvas print that you could either give your friends or you can hang up as art installments inside your crib. And to do this, it's not hard at all. So all it is you just provide the image to an Amazon seller that sells these, which I'll have linked down below. It's not sponsored or anything. And they go ahead, put this wood trim around it, and it's super high quality and you could hang it anywhere. So keep that in mind. I'm always looking at these photos as installments, something to put on the wall or something to give as a gift. If you guys know me personally, you know how much I love Breaking Bad. I love the entire storyline, the full concept, everything about it. I literally watched that series 5+ times, every single episode, and every time that I watched it, I noticed that I saw something different or I interpreted certain things differently. So that's why I love that series so much. So I went ahead and made some Breaking Bad inspired posts right here. In Breaking Bad, Jesse drove a 1982 Monte Carlo. So I went ahead and put this post right here. A 1982 Chevrolet Monte Carlo in a scene inspired by the Netflix series Breaking Bad. You can see Walter White in the background. This just gives you an idea. So I just use that as an inspiration, but I went ahead and kind of combined it into my hype beastie, sneakerhead culture vibes. So I went ahead and made this. A BearBrick inspired by Breaking Bad. Now this is what I'm talking about. I don't think BearBrick has done a collab with Breaking Bad just yet, but this is pretty fire. I'm telling y'all, on a print like that and you hang that up, game over. Stepping away from the car stuff, I went ahead and generated a GTA 7 game based on the Bay Area. So for this prompt, I put a Grand Theft Auto game cover inspired by the Bay Area. Super simple, and honestly, it came out very sick. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge in the background, San Francisco, that GTA styled art cover. Being from the Bay, I love to see it, super cool. I typed in a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck lowered with silver wheels and it gave me a Model X, but it wide bodied it and put some pretty cool wheels on there, and it has a dope cityscape in the background. Not too bad. pretty cool concept right there. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up with 2 other posts that I saw. This one coming in from GTR Builds. He put a GTR right by a Christmas tree. You got Santa leaning on it. The last one I'm gonna leave y'all off with is from GTR_340. Put Godzilla in the back. Of course, you have your R34 right there in that midnight purple. All right, y'all, that's going to wrap up this video right here. Let me know if you guys come up with any cool prompts. Always make sure to tag me on Instagram at sneakerheadinthebay or send me a DM of anything that you create. If you guys create something super dope and you want to share it, make sure to send it my way and you might be featured in the next video. Use all of these posts as inspiration because the results you could get are pretty much endless. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.